Okay, we're gonna do a pretty high level overview. It's been like 30 minutes since we played a match, so I just wanna make sure that everybody's not rusty. We're gonna go, I'm gonna walk us through from auto all the way to endgame. So, as we know, we're gonna call order placement. Name of the game for 2468 is we wanna line up on the same side as apprentice. So that's why we're gonna line up as red 2, and we're gonna keep you guys at red 3. Just make sure to line up opposite of us. All right, let's talk about transition. So let's assume that we end up in left transition. Both of us know what we're gonna do between left and right, but let's just talk about left for now. So if we run left auto, aka depot auto, as soon as transition starts, we're gonna come back, fill up our hopper, and we're gonna do our sweep. We're gonna prioritize shooting during that 10 seconds, assuming that we win auto. Name of the game for you guys is taking advantage of all the balls in the middle of the field and volleying back as much as possible. Don't worry about scoring as much, just need to make sure that we get all the balls back on our side. Oh my God.
Let's go. They were explaining that.
Yeah. Okay. And then for 5503, you guys are gonna sit right behind here. Same thing as last match. Really amazing job clearing out the depot. Continue to do that J sweep regardless of if we're left or right. And we know what we're doing between 6-8, y'all. All right, we'll go through assignments really quick. Same thing as last time, 5503, during our active phase, feel free to set picks for us and make sure that we're getting enough resources. During inactive phase, feel free to just hammer down RoboSpartans and Apprentice.
I would move on and prioritize RoboSpartans and Apprentice.
So honestly, we're not going to prioritize a single robot. We're going to play zone. We want to make sure that they can see, or they have good line of sight. So whoever's on the left side, that's fine. If we're congesting them both to the right side, we already won the match. So we'll switch over to 3035. Bread and butter. Continue to do the trench run. Continue to do the trench run. Just make sure that whenever we're over here, if we're getting defended, stay in this area, and you guys feel free to carry us on offense. If y'all are getting defended, just make sure that we have some space to dance. Very strong possibility that we're going to get 2 defenders this match. And then for 6-8, same thing as before. Here's our priority: A, B, C, D. We're gonna steal as much as possible, but we're really trying to focus on playing safe this match. Just make sure during endgame, make sure to come back. We don't want to draw any penalties, and let's continue to have clean matches. Let's keep on getting better and better and better. That 3.
First priority.
But nothing else changes for me. I'm so
Hey, everybody, hey. You've had a little bit of a break, that's a good thing, okay? Now you got to get back in that cycle, okay? You got to ramp that energy back up and that focus, and it's a focus for about 7 minutes, okay? Get that focus, then relax, okay? That focus, then relax. Now, you got to get there now, not when this match starts. You got to start getting yourself in that space right now and ramping to that point, okay? Let's go. We started January 10th looking for things. We already met one of our milestones. That was at Belton, okay? This was the second one. This is the opening of the door of the second one. We hadn't got it yet, okay? All right? These are the kind of matches you look for, okay? These are the ones you build for. All that time, all that effort, all those late hours, okay? All those wondering, when am I ever going to finish CAD? Or when are they ever going to give me a robot to wire? When are they ever going to give me a robot to drive? And then the designer's like, when are they ever going to get one that works to shoot right? Okay? All those things, okay? All right? This is when it pays off, okay? You've invested in each other. You've not invested a dime in me, okay? The investment is in each other, okay? All right? Being a part of a team, being an example for others, okay? All right? Okay. First move.
There they go.
First move.
I'm doing a sweep. If we win auto, quick sweep to make sure I get full load off. If we lose auto, big bite, push a little over, and then come back.
Okay. After that?
Depending on shifts, I'm running Falcon French.
We went auto.
we win auto, I'm first looking for French fry. If I don't see any French fry, then I'm doing neutral. Yeah, French fry plus neutral, French fry priority. And then I come back, chops.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
No thinking.
Yeah, just doing.
Let's not give you direction. You know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that. Okay. Go do your thing. There. Okay.
Let's meet the final alliances. On the red side, Alliance 1, kicking off with 5503. In position 2, we have 2468. Alliance Captain from Westlake High School, Team Appreciate. And anchoring the red alliance, we have 3035. High School,
Here we go now. Let's go.
Good luck. Oh yeah, good luck.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FIRST alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AndyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AndyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at AndyMark.com, the AMPD AndyMark Power Distribution Board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's AndyMark.com.
Big bites every time. Okay.
On the line, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're starting off first now.
Nice. Good offset.
What a hopper pull.
All right, do we need to change offset?
Okay, we win auto. Okay, we won it. We got auto. We won auto here now. Let's go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They're hub.
Oh, 20 seconds. I know line time right there.
Time.
10, 9,
I'm stopping.
7,
Hit us.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit me.
There you go. Good.
There we go. On 20 seconds. On 20 seconds.
Left corner.
15
Two
seconds.
full loads.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, they're hub.
All right.
Good.
Shift 3. We're off. 20 seconds.
Good French fry. Out of the way. Everybody go get it.
Behind your hub. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Good dodge. Good dodge.
1.
Let me look.
50 seconds left. 20 so safe.
The tower's full if you can clear it.
5 seconds.
Okay, we're up 100.
In the left corner.
We're up 100. Be smart. We're up 100. Be smart.
30, 33.
Okay, we're up 140. We're up.
Tower is safe. Tower is now safe. Left corner. Quarter. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
Half a bucket.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
There you go. Good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, everybody right here. Nice job. That a way to work, okay? We're getting a little better. On edge, high energy. Good thoughts afterwards. Communicate. Really be critical on evaluation here. We don't want something to come up we don't know about. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
It's annoying. Thanks.
Hey,
We'll be back with the final splash two.
give me that number in red.
Now it's time to hand
Give
out
me that
some
number in red.
awards.
It can be annoying for that, right?
Huh?
Just leave it here. Systems.
Let's do check everything. We can do it here. Okay.
That brand dropped down to a level.
Hey guys, can we do checks right here? Okay, cool.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AnyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AnyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at anymark.com, the AMPD AnyMark power distribution board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's anymark.com. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FIRST alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.